Hello. My hair is a mess because we're gonna try a new hair product. We're trying out the GHD Platinum Plus hair straightener. I showed this to you guys in a haul video and it was like one of the most requests I've had in a really long time. Next to the second Too Faced video, which is or has coming. So I wanted to show you. I just took it out of the package. This is legit the first time I'm using this. So I don't know if you guys can see that the power button is right here. Okay, so it has a little speaker on it. I don't know if you guys just heard that. It has like a blow dryer type plug, and so I had to actually push the red button. I legit was like, it has a 20-second heat up time, so I'm assuming that that's the sound of I don't know what. So it's already hot, but I want to read to you why I bought this. Ultrazone with predictive technology is the latest breakthrough in heat styling, which guarantees homogeneous heat across the whole plate, allowing consistent, beautiful results in one stroke. The heat is monitored 250 per second, so that it's constantly at the optimum 365 degrees Fahrenheit styling temperature for even healthier hair. It personalizes power with its predictive technology, which recognizes the thickness of your hair and the speed at which you are styling, and it adjusts accordingly so you get an unbeatable results quicker and personalized to you. So it says, for ultimate control, a unique wishbone hinge calibrates pressure so plates caress hair lightly instead of tightly. The ultra versatile tool creates an array of head turning styles without turning up the heat. So it says that the ergonomically upgraded rounded edges let you straighten, curl, or wave in a stroke. One pass styling and 20-second heat up time allow you to finish faster. So it did heat up quite quick, really quick if I'm being honest. So I'm gonna do the same thing I always do, except that I bought a new brush. Does anybody else have to replace their wet brush very often because of all the lint? That stuff is impossible to get off. And I got this one on clearance at Target for $6.98, which it's originally $9.99, and it's mother fluffin' marble. So this is not going to be a video of like, hey, watch me get a really pretty hairstyle. My hair's been up for a really long time. Wow, this one is a lot stiffer than the other wet brushes. And so it has like bumps and lumps, but I want to really try out this hair straightener. So I might try some straight, I might try some curly. My hair is freshly washed, which I know I'm backwards to everybody else in the world. My hairstyle is better when it's dirty. There's stuff all over my floor. My son's gonna get home from school in like a half hour. My daughter's laying down for a nap. This is what happens. So I'm putting some heat protectant in my hair. This is from Living Proof. It's called the Perfect Hair Day Split and Mender. So I'm just gonna use some of that. For anybody who's wondering what's on my eyes, it's the Too Faced Peach Palette. I have literally nothing on my lips. And that's okay, because this is a hair video and you guys wanted me to try this. I could have came on here barefaced and it would have been okay. But I tried, I wanted to get my makeup done early this morning when my kids were still sleeping. So anyways, I just ate. This feels so weird. This feels so weird. It doesn't close hard like normal straighteners, and it's quite a bit thicker where you're holding it. Like, see how much space is in there? I really wouldn't call that single pass. Let's try it on another. I mean, it's not far from single pass by any means. It just feels very different. It feels very different. Not in a bad way. It might take a minute to get used to. Let's see if we can do like a little, I don't think I did that right. I think I might need some longer hair for that. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna try some on the back and just see. It is kind of perfect for this because it is so rounded. Oh, I just let go. My bad. Cute. Oh, that's cute. It's the cutest one so far. I definitely did these backwards. Oh well. All right, so let's look at the top. Again, we'll try some straightening. We're gonna try some curling and just see where the day takes us. See if it's a little bit easier with hair that's a little bit longer, like my top layers. All right, so let's first do the single pass test. Yeah, that's for me not a single pass. Do you see how like the bottom of my hair is still a little bit wonky? But I mean, that's pretty damn straight. And it doesn't smell like burning hair. And it doesn't have like a weird plasticky smell like new hair appliances usually do. This is really interesting. Okay, let's see if I can do away from my hair. I suck at that. I never use my hair straightener as a curling wand, and so I think that's why I am terrible at it. I know you have to like get it the right way on the plate. Oh, I feel like I just ripped out a million hairs. I think that with some practice I could definitely get it down. But I think that the hair has to go like underneath like that, right? Oh, I just let go of it again. All right, this is definitely gonna be a learning curve. This is crazy. Womp womp. Okay, so this is probably not gonna be my curling wand. I was gonna say like that would be really cool if like you could just take one tool with you everywhere. One is the straightener and it does curling too. Like that would be freaking sweet, but it doesn't look like that's gonna be the case at all. Like that is not cute. For me, that's like not my idea of curled hair. At all. But I'm gonna keep trying because we know it straightens. So I just wanna see if it would curl. Cause like I said, that would be really cool if you didn't have to take like 2 tools with you. All right, let's try some more. I don't see any smoke or steam coming out, so it's not stripping my hair of moisture. I don't smell burnt hair, which is always a bonus. I have not been using my Briogeo stuff and it is showing. I've definitely gotten more used to the wand. It's definitely something that you're gonna have to get used to. Oh, that one was a little bit warm. Maybe because I haven't been styling it, I don't know. Nope, that's definitely not. That's actually pretty dang cute. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting better with the longer layers. I feel like if your hair is shorter than mine, that this is not going to be a curling tool for you as well. It's just going to be a straightening iron. And like I said, I think if you start at the top of the iron, that way you give yourself enough room to go down it. Like you could get some pretty decent curls out of it. It's all about learning curve. Like this one, I don't like that it's just like that soft wave, because we've talked about this before. I just don't feel like that kind of hairstyle looks cute on me at all. Nope. Okay. moving on then. Oh my gosh. I feel like the back is gonna be a little bit difficult for curling, maybe, I don't know. My right side, it's, I was just about to say, easier. That's not bad. Man, I was worried, you guys. I was like, man, if I just blew $200 on this freaking thing for no reason, I'm gonna be pissed. That is actually looking pretty dang cute. It's not like a ton of curl, but it has a lot of volume and body to it. Like, I honestly love it. I really do. Holy cow. All right, last layer. Let's see what we can do. What we can salvage. Maybe this will turn into a super cute hairdo. I was expecting fully to put my hair back up in a bun, to be honest. Ooh, yeah, the back is definitely harder. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. My hair already had some body because I just let it air dry last night from a shower, but I mean, this is looking pretty dang cute. There we go, better. Oh, you kind of have to be careful. I just got some crimps in mine and I hate that. I seriously do. Oh, I didn't even notice. Look, it's like all the way across. Ooh. I may change my mind about using this as a curler. I feel like I'm just gonna bring my tapered curling wand. Remember that one time I couldn't remember that word? Tapered. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna use this as a curling wand. I think I'm gonna use it as a straightening wand, but I've already curled so much of it, and like I said, my son's bus is gonna be here in like 5 minutes, and so I really don't want to start straightening all of it. It's cute though, like, I don't know, it's voluminous. It doesn't look too like made up. It just looks like those lucky people that have naturally wavy, like cute hair like this. I'm sure they're out there somewhere. That is actually pretty dang cute. I don't know if you guys, the lighting is so weird in here, but it's actually really cute. I don't think I would spend that much time to get a look like this. This isn't my perfect look, but I know that this is a very sought after look from a lot of people. They like just that loose wave and volume. I like ringlets and for it to be like poof out to here. That's just my personal style, but this is really, really cute. But as far as a straightening iron, like, I think it does really, really good. I don't notice, I definitely notice like a difference between this one and like my Hot Tools one for sure, like a huge difference. I don't smell burning hair. I don't smell burning plastic. Like, I don't see moisture escaping. I don't know. Do I think it's worth $250? I don't know, because this is a first impression and you guys just wanted to see me use this, and so I definitely wanted to. I was really scared. So it makes noise when you turn it on, when you turn it off, and when it's heat ready. Heat ready. It does have like a platinum with GHD right there. There's like all kinds of information on this thing right here. The plate itself, I don't know if you guys will be able to pick it up, is black and it has like gold sparkle in it. And they say that's like what measures like the thickness of your hair and everything. I am impressed, but you guys, I've said this before, like I don't do first impressions usually, like, because things change so easily from one use to the next. and you guys saw that in my faves and hates video. Like, I loved that Rihanna eyeliner the very first time I used it, and it went downhill quick, with a quickness. I loved that brow, well, I didn't really love that brow gel, but it also, I hated it at first, but then using it compared to something else, it wasn't as bad, so you just never know. But this is me using it and not as a traditional straightener. I'll use this for the rest of the week. Today's only Monday. As a straightener, maybe I'll do something and try and do like tighter curls. I don't know though, because I just have to get used to the actual thing, because the wishbone is different. It's very different. Hey guys, I just wanted to interject before I end this video with the curling situation, which was the biggest mess ever. I'm not good at using this as that, but I have, since doing that little portion, used this probably, I want to say, at least 6 to 7 days in a row as a straightener, and it's a game changer. Not gonna lie. I inserted, is that a word? I have inserted some footage of me doing it the other day, and my microphone wasn't plugged in, so it was completely silent, but I was showing you my phone, and at one point it said 8:06, and the next point it was 8:14. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to straighten my hair, which that has never happened. Whether it's short, long, it's never taken me that short amount of time to straighten my hair. Because my hair is super thick, I have to do at least 4 sections to get it done. And also another thing that I want to mention is that usually by like the second day of me straightening my hair gets very wiry and straw-like, and it very much loses its luster. It feels like it's very malleable. Like, I could go like this and it would stay. This straightener has left my hair with such an amazing shine. It still feels thick and hair-like, unlike most straighteners. It makes my hair feel so straw-like. The fact that it heats up in 20 seconds is insane. I literally turn around to get like my clip and put my product in my hair, and it's already hot. I wish it would cool down as quick, but that doesn't make sense in any world that it would cool down that quick. So I absolutely love this. I know that the price point is a little bit high for a lot of people, especially now that all of the coupons are over. If you did want to wait, I can almost guarantee you Ulta is gonna do another 20% off coupon. I do recommend this. I know if you're getting it for a straightener, I am a bit awkward when it came to the curling of like the wave ringlets, and even like I tried to like kind of curl the ends of it and it came out kind of funky. So I don't agree with that statement that they made, that it waves, curls, and this and that. Like, I just use it as a straightener. I'm very happy with it. I love the wishbone. It took me a couple days to get used to it, but now that I am, I don't know, it just goes so fast and seamless. Like, I'm loving my hair. I truly am. And especially now that I'm going to be traveling, I'm literally leaving today. Getting my hair done in less than 10 minutes is essential, because you don't want to be sitting in a hotel room getting ready forever. You want to be out and about and exploring and doing all the fun things that you're on a vacation to do. So I feel like this is definitely a game changer. I love it. I just want to give you my opinion on it. I don't want to tell you to go out and buy it because it is so expensive. I don't want you to feel like, well, Brittany made me buy this or anything like that. So I'm just giving you my opinion. I love this. I do recommend it, but I'm not telling you to go out and buy it. There's some things that I'm like, you need to go get this, but I'm not going to say that about something with this price tag, just because I don't feel like everybody has the money for something like this, and I don't want you to feel like this is the only straightener that you need. It's just, for what it is, I really love it, and I don't regret spending the money on it. So that is my little 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Brittany Cocco. You are watching the Cocco channel. Please subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video.